Happy Thursday, ladies. Welcome to Two Word Thursdays. I'm Kristen R. Harris. I empower, I inspire, and I uplift. And that's exactly what today's two words are going to do for you. Today's words, small impacts. For whatever reason, we hear the word small and we think that that's just insignificant. Ladies, throw that thinking out the window. I know sometimes you think one of two things. One, you think about projects are so big that you don't know how to tackle them. And then two, you may think that your project is too small, that it's not going to make an impact. Both of those statements are flawed, ladies. Let me tell you something. There was this lady by the name of Sally Koch, and I love what she said. She said, great opportunities to help others seldom come, but we're surrounded by small opportunities every single day. And the thing about small impacts is that a sum of small impacts make a huge impact. So throw that thinking out the window that what you're doing is so insignificant that it's not going to make a difference. Your small impact added with everyone else's small impacts makes a huge impact. And then that thinking about projects being so big that you don't know how to tackle them, you know what I say, I've said it 1,000 times before, how do you eat an elephant? Piece by piece. Okay, ladies, so you know I don't ever give you a plan without some action. Here are two things that I want you to do over the next 7 days. I need you to look for a way to make a small impact on someone around you. I've told you before, it may be small to you, but it's huge to them. It can be something as simple as paying a compliment to another woman. Ladies, we gotta start empowering each other. Tell her her hair looks nice. Tell her her dress is pretty. Tell her you like how you love her swag. Whatever, tell her something. You may even choose to pay it forward by paying for someone's meal. Whatever it is, I want you to make a small impact over the next 7 days. The other thing, you remember those big projects that seem so huge and they're the big elephant. Well, I want you to look at that list and choose the biggest project and break it down into small pieces. And then choose to do at least one of those small pieces on this week, okay? Small impacts make a huge impact when they're all summed together. Simple words for this week, small impacts. So ladies, that's it for this week. I'll meet you here same time, same place next week. Two Word Thursdays. I'm Kristen R. Harris signing out. Two fingers spread apart. Peace.